So we're making a recipe today from Can't Believe It's Eggless, which is my third book. It is a complete eggless baking book.
Hey guys, this recipe was recorded pre-COVID. It was recorded early in March when I was still working out of my kitchen.
The recipe that we're going to make today is banana pancakes. I love the song Banana Pancakes by Jack Johnson, and that was my inspiration for this recipe. It's something that if you are lucky enough to have your Sundays off, which most of us don't, you can actually wake up and make these for breakfast. So let's make them. So first step, we're going to mash the bananas. The riper your bananas, the better this is. Guys, if this recipe doesn't come out well, it's all her fault. She's messed it up completely because she's the one doing this. The recipe doesn't have chocolate chips, but I feel like we should add chocolate chips. We're whisking all the dry ingredients together. Sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Dry ingredients into wet ingredients. So the chocolate chips I won't add into the batter, I'll add it on top of the pancakes. Butter, oil. So they say the first pancake or the first crepe or the first boyfriend is never the right one. So you have to keep trying. So we're going to put the first one, and normally the first one I put a little bit less because I know it's going to go to waste. Okay? She forgot to put sugar. So guys, at a cafe we had these pancakes, not these ones, but we have pancakes with passion fruit curd, and it's so good. You must try them.
That pancake recipe can be found in Low 15 Cafe e-cookbook. Putting the link in the description box and you can buy it there.
See, it's browning and it's bubbling. We gotta wait for a few more bubbles and then These pancakes are pretty soft and fluffy by themselves, but obviously you can serve them with some more butter, with some honey or maple syrup, bananas, and some chocolate chips.